To send Bitcoin from Blockchair. Start by understanding what Blockchair is. Blockchair is a blockchain explorer that allows users to track and analyze blockchain data, including Bitcoin transactions. First, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet address where you want to send the Bitcoin. If you don't have one, create a new wallet or use an existing one. Next, go to the Blockchair website and click on the Bitcoin tab. Then, click on the Send Bitcoin option. You will be asked to enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. So enter the address you want to send the Bitcoin to. After entering the address, you need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin or in your local currency. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before proceeding. Once you have entered the address and amount, you will be asked to select the transaction fee. The transaction fee is the amount you pay to the miners for verifying your transaction. A higher fee will result in faster transaction processing, while a lower fee may take longer. After selecting the transaction fee, review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. If everything is correct, click on the Send Bitcoin button to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. It may take some time for the transaction to be verified by the miners and confirmed on the blockchain. You can track the status of your transaction on the Blockchair website by entering the transaction ID. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to use a secure internet connection and keep your wallet and private keys safe. Also, be aware of the transaction fees and the current blockchain congestion before sending the Bitcoin. By following these steps, you can securely send Bitcoin from Blockchair. Always remember to double-check the transaction details and use a secure connection to avoid any potential issues.